In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite for beginners. Whether you're just starting on social media management or looking to streamline your efforts, Hootsuite is an excellent tool to add to your arsenal. Let's dive right in and start from the very beginning to ensure you're set up for success. First, open your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you're most comfortable with. In the search bar, type Hootsuite. Once you reach the Hootsuite homepage, you'll likely notice the inviting button that says Start Your Free Trial. Go ahead and click on that to begin your Hootsuite journey. This trial will allow you to explore the platform and see if it's the right fit for your needs without any immediate financial commitment. Next up, complete the sign-up process. This step involves providing some basic information about yourself or your business. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. They will guide you through creating your account. Once you're signed up, you'll want to log in and line up all your desired social media accounts. Hootsuite supports a range of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and what was formerly known as Twitter, now referred to as X. Connecting these accounts will make it easier for you to manage them from one centralized hub. Now that you're all set up, let's talk about creating your first post. Locate the Create button or find the Composer icon, which you can usually spot right on your dashboard. Clicking on this will open up the Post Builder, where all the magic happens. This tool allows you to draft messages, attach media files, and set up your post for distribution. It's crucial to choose the specific social media accounts where you want your content to appear. This will allow you to tailor each post depending on the platform's audience or requirements, maximizing your reach and engagement. Within the Post Builder, you'll also be able to write the text for your post and add images or videos to make it more engaging. And here's a neat feature that sets Hootsuite apart: its AI-powered tools. These handy tools offer hashtag suggestions and even assist with crafting the perfect caption, taking a bit of the guesswork out of your process. This can be incredibly beneficial for polishing your posts or brainstorming new ideas. Once your post is ready, you have two options. You can publish your content immediately, letting it go live to your audience, or you can use Hootsuite's scheduling feature. Choosing to schedule your post for a future date and time allows you to maintain a consistent posting strategy, even if your schedule gets hectic. And there you go. This walkthrough should give you a solid foundation to begin using Hootsuite effectively. The platform offers much more than these basics, but starting here will definitely set you on the right path. Thanks for joining me today, and happy social media managing.